and put the hinges in their hand. Counting benches while we meet and make them shake my other hand.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another wig video for y'all, and I'm going to be doing it with a company that I have not worked with before, but I'm really excited to try their hair. It's called West Kiss. This is what the box looks like, and y'all, it's a little beat up because I actually had it with me in Dallas because I planned to do the video for y'all, but I didn't get a chance to do it. On the box it says, "Love your hair, kiss your beauty." Okay, that's cute. Alright, so this unit is a body wave unit, and that's one of my favorite straighter textures. I love the body wave. I feel like it's a really classic look. It does come with an elastic band. It also comes with a wig cap, and it's my scalp color, so I'm very happy about that. And it also came with a satin bag. Now, for those who are beginners, you may not understand the greatness of a satin bag, but when you travel, these are so good, and I feel like they're more compact with storing your wigs rather than putting them in a box. And this satin material really helps to preserve moisture. I feel very confident in placing my wigs in these. I like these so much more than boxes because they don't take up as much space. So these are just great. So I love, love, love this. So we're going to install this unit. I want to show you all what it looks like first. I try to do the unboxing on camera, because who wants to see a wig video where the wig is already on the person's head and they're just talking about it? That's kind of weird to me. I don't know. But yeah, I want you all to be able to see what the unit looks like right in the package so you know what you can expect when you get your wig. So this is Glory. Meet Divine Favor. It looks really awesome. The texture of this hair is amazing. The way it feels, the luster, everything just looks good right out of the package. Now, I can see that the knots have not been bleached, but they're not really, really pronounced. I really don't like that appeal when you get a wig and you have these really dark knots. This one doesn't have that, but as you can see, it does come with baby hair, and they are long, so we're gonna have to cut those. I don't know if I'm going to use baby hair for this install, but we're going to see. I'm also not going to bleach the knots. So if you're new to my channel, we don't bleach knots over here. I haven't done that in years. And the reason behind that is because when you bleach the knots, it actually weakens the lace. And so it causes more shedding. And the overall appeal and longevity of the unit is not as stretched as it could be. The integrity of it kind of diminishes or gradually declines as a result of bleaching the knot. So it may look beautiful and great in the beginning, but over time it's just not going to look that good because I've done it and it's like, oh my goodness, I wish I had not. But we have an alternative method. I always use the Airbrush spray. This is by Sally Hansen. And I actually came across this method just in exploring videos on YouTube like a year or so ago, maybe 2 years ago, and I have not stopped using this method since then. Now, when you originally spray it on the lace of the cap, you're going to actually have to stipple it onto the lace. And then on the opposite side, you're going to have to wipe away the excess if it does transfer onto the hair. You may also see some glitter, but it's really minimal. It's not really like glitter that's just overly visible, but you might see a little bit of glitter. So I do want to let you all know that if this is your first time going about using this process, so you're not alarmed and you're just like, what the heck is this? But yeah, once you wash it and everything, you don't see the glitter. So yeah, so we're gonna get started with this install. I am noticing like a white line across. I don't know if y'all can see that. I've never seen this before, and I'm not sure why this is on the unit. Can y'all, let me get in closer so y'all can see. So I don't know what that's about. So there's like a white line across the entire front hairline. And I don't know if that's what I don't know if they sewed that there. I don't know what that's for. It's my first time seeing that. Y'all see that? So that's a little different. So that's something to keep in mind with this unit, that it does have this white outer like outline that they've done. For whatever reason, I'm not sure, but that is there. So that's a little different. Yeah, first time seeing that. So we're gonna get started with this install so y'all can see how amazing this hair looks. So I'm just gonna take off my head wrap, and I'm really feeling this head wrap. I've worn it probably like 3 times in a video because it's just so cute. I don't even know if I tied it right this time. I think it's kind of cute, but I don't know. Y'all let me know. So we're gonna take it off, and in order to create this like big hump that you see, voila, I fold up another head wrap because I don't have much hair right now. So I couldn't do a bun and it'd be like really massive and give me the look that I'm going for. So I kind of just, yeah. Let's put the wig on and see what it looks like on my head before we install. All right, so I can tell that this one fits my hairline really nicely. So that's awesome. If you have a low hairline like me, y'all, the struggle is usually real. Trying to find a cap construction that fully covers my hairline is usually a challenge. So that's a good thing. So this is low hairline friendly. They have pre-plucked the hairline, but I may have to go in. I'm most likely gonna have to go in and do a little bit of work just to make it look more natural. Yeah. And I don't know if I want to do a middle part this time. We're going to do a side part. We're just going to play around with it. I'm going to spray on the styling Hansem, cut the lace, install, do all that, and then come back on. Let's go. Let's go.
wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me. I got what you need, just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. I whisper I love you, I'll hold your
springtime. Alright y'all, so I went to change my outfit to bring the whole look together, and I just love how it turned out. This is such a great look for any occasion. This hair just works. If you're going to work, if you're going to a brunch, going on a date night, whatever the case may be, this is a really, really good option. The hair feels amazing. It smelled nice when I received it. I didn't receive any tangling or shedding. I really love the density of this hair. I got it in 180% density, and it is true in density. It's very full, so I'm all about that because y'all know I love volume. I say that all the time. For those who often ask about what type of lace is used on the unit, it is Swiss lace, and my color is medium brown. I did also get this unit in a cap size medium, and this is a 13x6 lace frontal unit. Y'all, you get a lot of parting space. This is a really, really good amount of parting. It makes it look really natural. This unit also ships out within 24 hours, except for on the weekend. So if you were to order your unit on the weekend, it is going to take a little longer than if you were to order it during the weekday. I received my unit in probably about 3 days, which is very quick. So that's awesome. So you all leave comments in the comment section. Let me know if you all have heard of West Kiss. Have you tried their hair? Leave some comments and feedback for others who may be interested in this particular company. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Be sure to check the description box for the link and all the specifications to this unit. Check out my previous video, y'all. I did crochet braids. But I hope that you all enjoyed all my videos. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with a friend and turn on your notifications so that you know every time that I post a video. I love y'all. I hope you all are doing well. I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.
I'll make you smile.